With double-ended inequalities, whatever we do, we need to do to all three sections. So to get x on its own in the middle, I need to subtract 4. So I'm going to subtract 4 right the way across. 3 subtract 4 is -1. In the middle, I'm left with just x. And 7 subtract 4 is 3. So my answer is -1 less than or equal to x less than 3. In part 2, I've got the same inequality, so it's just asked me what numbers are between -1 and 3. That's -1, 0, 1 and 2. Right angled triangle, no angles marked, so it must be a Pythagoras question. So x squared equals 5.2 squared plus 3.8 squared. So x squared is 41.48. So to work out x, I just need to square root, which is 6.440496. To 3 sig fig, that's 6.44. Angles in an isosceles triangle are going to be equal to each other. So I know that 3x plus 32 equals 87 subtract 2x. So this is just a solving an equation. The opposite of subtract 2x is add 2x. So 5x add 32 equals 87. Opposite of add 32 is subtract 32. So 5x equals 55. Opposite of multiply by 5, divide by 5. So x equals 11. Cumulative frequency, well, that's our running total. So 15. 15 add 25 is 40. 15, 25 and 47 is 87. 15, 25, 47 and 70 is 157. 15, 25, 47, 70 and 18 is 175. Add on the extra 5 is 180, which is the same as the total in the question. So we did our adding up right. Then we're going to plot them at the upper value of each group. So 20 and 15. 40 and 40, 60 and 87, 80 and 157, 100 and 175, and 120 and 180. Join them up with our ruler. Then the upper quartile of 180, so I've got a total of 180, halfway would be 90, a quarter would be 45, 3/4 is 135. That's where I need to read my upper quartile from. (135) reads off as 74. Highest common factor means we take the lowest power. So only A has a 2, so I don't want any 2s. Of the 3s, 3 squared is the lower power. Of the 5s, the 5 on its own is the lowest power, and only B has a 7, so we don't want that. 3 squared multiplied by 5 is 45.